Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice and video calls not working in Android. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to make a voice or video call on any app, for example WhatsApp, and it's not working, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Well, the first thing that you're gonna do is to go to your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, hit the second option, manage apps. And here, a list of all the apps on your device will appear. Now scroll all the way down and look for the app you're trying to make a voice or a video call on. For example, here, let's say I'm trying to make a video call on WhatsApp. And here it is. Now tap on it. After that, tap on clear data. And here, two different options will appear. So we got clear all data and then clear cache. So I'm just gonna hit both of them and then clear all data. Great. And that should fix your problem. Now, in case this doesn't work, then tap on app permissions. Now scroll all the way down and make sure to enable camera, microphone, and phone. So if you're trying to make a voice or a video call on WhatsApp and it's not working, here make sure to enable camera, microphone, and phone. So this will allow you to make a voice and video call on WhatsApp. And this should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.